Well, everybody, if this is how you're feeling, I'm hoping we can change that up. Let's make that into a positive. So, really basically boils down to this. You feeling a dark, lonely place? Now that sucks. But I'm glad you're here. Glad you're checking it out. We'll see if we can change that. Remember, when you reach out and lift someone up, it brightens their day. You can't help but brighten up your life. So remember, when you reach out to help somebody else lift them up, your days become better. Be a positive influence. Hit that like button. Come on, share, like, help somebody.